I think Anthony was onto something. Sandwiches, who doesn't love them? Let's try a world-travelled chef's idea of the perfect Sando. Anthony Bourdain was an amazing chef, yet he also loved the simple things, like what he called the perfect sandwich. Start by heating up a hot plate to a medium heat, then adding 9 slices of mortadella and scrunch them into 3 piles. This is to maximise the crispy edges. Mortadella is often described as an elevated Italian bologna. Fry this up for a couple of minutes until slightly crispy, then flip over and place a slice of provolone on top of each bundle. Add a splash of water to steam and melt the cheese completely, and cover with something to trap the steam in. Once the cheese is melted, move it from the heat. This recipe requires 1 quality casserole or Portuguese water roll. And because I live in an area where fancy bread is the type of seagull doesn't swoop down and steal from your hand, we are using these supermarket crusty rolls of some description. Slice them in half. I tend to cut mine through the centre. No, the other centre would have worked better. Now the 2 bread roll halves can go on the hot plate to crisp up and soak up all that savoury pork fat. Do not walk away, these just need a light toasting. We are not trying to create charcoal today. Once toasted to perfection, take them off the heat. How did we end up here? You watching me make a sandwich and me dressed like this? This cook will take less than 10 minutes, so it's easy to be cooked for those of you looking for an excuse to drink more. We aren't done yet, there's more ingredients. With the toasted buns coming off the heat, we need to work quickly. Why? I have no idea, but the recipe requires us to work quickly. Maybe run around while making this part. On the bottom part of the roll, add a generous amount of mayonnaise. I've opted for Japanese mayo to show that I'm cultured and stuff. Make sure to get it all the way to the edges. I hate people who splat a big dollop of anything in the middle and don't clean it up. I'm eating all of it, so put flavour all over it. Next up is the lid, and we need some mustard. Not the glow-in-the-dark American shit. We want something with some hair on its chest. If you're struggling for ideas to cook at home, subscribe. It's not going to help you, it helps me. Did you think to yourself you'd be watching a guy get angry about how people prepare a sandwich this morning? Now construct it. Bottom bun, mortadella and provolone are on next, and if you just threw the top bun in the bin, you ruined it and should not be left unsupervised again. Get that into your face hole. As the great man once said, barbecue may not be the road to world peace, but it's a start. Fuck me, that's good. Oh, smut.